Hello friends, it's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, stopping by with another one of my quick videos with just sharing a card today. Show you some of the things I used to make the card. I had already put some stuff away and then I realized I wanted to make a video. So this is just some of the stuff. For a full list, I linked some of it below, but you can visit my blog post. I'll link that below as well if you want to know everything that I used. I did do some ink blending with some distressed oxide inks, and I used this mini cloud edges stencil from My Favorite Things. I really love making clouds. I don't know why, but it just makes me happy, and this is one of my most used stencils. I used the Slimline card builder die from Whimsy stamps. Really am liking the slimline design. It's just something different and something fun. And Whimsy Stamps has so many fun slimline dies. If you haven't checked it out already, go check some of them out. I used this Hello Fall stamp set from the Greeting Farm. It's been out for several years. I'm not sure if it's still available. It might be retired. I used it for this sentiment. And then I used my brand new Sweet November Falling into Fairwees stamp set, clear stamp set. They released 2 more clear stamp sets recently, this one and a Halloween one. I still absolutely love Sweet November stamps, and I was super excited to have time to sit down and play with this. And onto my card. You can see all 3 of those fairies, and they're floating through the sky. Hello Fall. I used my Twinkle Stickles on their wings. I absolutely love how this turned out. I'll do a little bit closer so you can see each one of the little Fairwees and all their little sparkle. It turned out, I think, so cute. I'm also going to share this card with my challenge group on Facebook. There's a stamp for that. As our current challenge, which ends tomorrow, is autumn or gnomes or having at least 3 circles. So this has the autumn theme with it. And I think that that's all I have for today. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. If you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, have a great day.